Today I'm sitting in my garden amongst nature, and I've just plucked this and I've placed it on the table, and I'm starting with my sketch. I have taped both the ends of this stem on my table so that it doesn't fly away. It's windy today. Today there will be a lot of disturbance as I'm sitting outside, and you'll find a lot of noise of the vehicles and the hawkers. I hope you don't mind. Today I'm not going to color it. I'm just showing you some sketching which I have planned out. Is almost ready, as you can see, and I will try to teach you a little bit of shading here, and I'll start from the first leaf that is here, and this part of the leaf is a little dark, so I am giving it a darker tone. Today I haven't kept anything, so with my finger I am smudging it a little bit. Sitting outside has its advantages as well as disadvantages, because there's a lot of disturbance. Although I'm surrounded with squirrels, butterflies, birds, insects even, and I'm enjoying it also, but sometimes I get disturbed also. this sketch is I think I would say something simple, and I'm not going into the intricacies too much. Later on I'll teach you that. Shading also, some very light and simple I'm teaching. For smudging I'm using my finger, as you can see. So you see here it is the darker tone, that means it is in the dark, and here I have not used any kind of smudging. I am moving towards this stem part, as you can see me doing. I am giving it a little darker tone towards the downside. See, that shows that this area, this one, the bottom area, is in the dark, while the upper one is in the light. The pencils are 2B, 4B, 6B. The darker you go, the bigger number you take. Okay? And now I'll move to the next leaf, which is ready here. Again I will do the same thing. See, I'm going to just see how I go with my pencil. This area is overturned and it's facing me, so it is a little dark, right? And see, after I do that, I will smudge it with my finger here, and slightly I'll go upwards. My daughter is sitting next to me and she's waiting for me to complete the sketch, and she's assisting me in every way, driving the insects away from me. So this is her work. And she's telling me not to speak too much about her. Now I'm moving towards this side. So I have left the middle portion a little light, and I made the veins. The veins are too many, too tiny veins are here also, which I don't think it will take too much of time to complete those veins. I'm leaving it, little bit I'm doing it, and the rest I'm leaving it. Okay, so I'm moving towards the stem part. Again I'll do the same thing. What I'll do is that I'll make the bottom area a little dark. See, this is just a basic sketch that I'm teaching. It's not too much of detailing that I have shown you in my first video, because that I will teach you at a much later stage. Now this leaf is overturned. This is upside down, the one that I am making. So if I had given it a color, then its color would have been pale green. I had to stop the video for a while because it started raining. Again I'm back and I'm completing the remaining sketch and the shading as well. See, I have changed the other edge of my sketch. It is like this, but I have made this, you can say, into this form. As we can change it according to our wishes. Now I'm completing the remaining part. You can hear the birds, you can hear the vehicles. It's a beautiful day. I just wish the rain doesn't come again so that I can finish my sketch. I am shading this part. You can see how I am holding the pencil. Okay, and I have also brought a little bit of cotton to smudge it well. See, I have a little bit of cotton here, and I'll just smudge this portion. The wind sometimes becomes strong and you see the leaves all flying over me. I always wish to draw and paint outside, but it has its hassles. I am going to the stem part. Again, I am making it a little dark. On the lower end. You know, whichever end you have chosen to put it dark, I'm going along with that line and making it a little dark. Okay, like I've chosen this side of the stem, and I'm going all along it and I'm making it dark, so that gives it a three-dimensional shape. So this sketch is almost ready, as you can see. So as you can see, this is complete, and now I'm going to teach you how to make its shadow. The shadow will remain lighter as compared to this stem or the leaves. If it is higher or a little apart, then that means it's little away, and if you bring it closer, that means it is going to touch the table or the surface. I'm finally completing my sketch, and I'm completing the shadow as well. As you can see, it's on a lighter tone. It started raining again, and I have to stop the video again. So with all these drawbacks and shortcomings, I have finally come to an end, and I'm stopping it here. Do comment and tell me whether you like the video or not, and if you make a sketch, make sure you send me on my Instagram account. Thank you so much for watching.